Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. This is 18th of April. So I'd like us to start off analysis with the chart on my screen. We have the Euro USD. On this chart, we're basically waiting for sell positions. We have a very good support here. We have a support, and we have a support here. The price broke and closed below these two lines. So as it is right now, this is going to give us a good place to look for a sell form. We are just waiting for price around this area here to pick a sell position. We do have a very good trend line formation here. So if the price pulls back up to this point but does not break and close above it, then that will be a very good place to look for a sell form. So the idea here basically is to look for sell orders. If the price pulls back up to this point but does not break and close above it, this should give us a good place to look for a sell form. So watch for price from within these two lines. Have your stop loss above the high of this candle, then have your take profit along this trend line here. The next chart is natural gas. So with natural gas so far, this is upwards. We have a very good trend line. So we have a very good trend line there. We had a support here. We had a support. This breakout. We have a resistance. We have a resistance here, and we have a resistance here. The price broke and closed above it. There was this pullback, but the price did not touch this line. So as it is right now, we are actually continuing to look for buy positions. We do expect that the buyers will push us to the upper side, at least up to this level, up to around 2.316, then 2.302. If the price breaks and closes above it, we're going to expect a continuation upwards with the next target fixed at this price here. So this is 2.414. So expect a move up to this target. If this is broken, the next target is this one. If that is broken, then the next target will be the line we have at the top, which is 2.526. That's my opinion on that chart. The next chart is GBP USD. So as it is right now, we've seen price move to the lower side. We've seen price continue to rally bearish. We had a very good trend line. So we had a support here. We had a support here. We had a support. We had a support. There is this breakout. As long as the price is held below this trend line, expect the sellers to continue to push price downwards, at least up to 1.2344. The next target is this one, which is 1.2273, and then the next one is this one. This is 1.2188. So along this trend line is a good place to look for a sell form. Expect that the sellers will push price here. This looks like the price is in a very good uptrend. So we have a very good resistance level. We have a resistance here. We have a resistance. We have a resistance. There is this breakout. We have a support. If the price pulls back down and touches this line, this should be a good place to look for a buy from. So keep looking for buy orders. Expect a pullback at least up to these two lines, where I will be looking for a buy position. The other chart is gold. So with gold so far, with gold as it is now, we are actually upwards. We are upwards. We have a very good support here. And we have another here. So we have a resistance. We have a resistance. There's a break above. We have a support. We have a support. Waiting for a buy. When the price comes to these two lines, this will give us an ideal place to consider a buy position from. We do expect that the buyers will push price upwards, at least up to the first target, which is this. The next target is this one here. So that is my opinion on that chart. Is Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin so far, we've seen price continue to accelerate to the upper side. We have a very good support there. So we had a resistance here, we had a break above, we had a support, and then you have another one. This is another good level. Then the next one is this one here. So as it is right now, expect a break above this line for the price to continue upwards to the next target at 31,013.57. If this is broken, then we'll expect the price to continue even higher. So the idea is to break above this line and expect another break above this line here to push the price even higher. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet and see you.